Here we have a 2010 Volkswagen Passat with a 2.0. As you can see, it has an air injection code, lean code, and it has multiple misfire codes. In this case, the misfire and the lean codes were relevant, but the air injection was irrelevant. On this screenshot, you can see that the cylinder number 4 was the one that had the worst misfire. And of course, after you eliminate the spark plugs and the coils, really the easy stuff is not the cause. What's really common on these engines is having too much vacuum in the crankcase system due to a defective crankcase breather. The diaphragm in these breathers goes bad, and since it's closest to cylinder number 4, that's why cylinder 4 misfires the